Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you black, white and blue nail art design step by step guide. Travel back in time of the 1950s with this classic nail art design. Black and white is a Black and white is a classic and all-time great color for nails, dress and shoes as well. If you want to black and white nail art design learn, you should have to follow our step by step guide. Number one step is start by painting your nails with the light blue nail polish. Step number two is using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Draw a diagonal on the edge of the nail. Step number three is using the same tool and nail polish. Fill in the area with white. Step number four is using a nail art brush and a black nail polish. Draw a diagonal line dividing the white and blue colors as you wish. Step number five, using the same tool and nail polish, place another black diagonal line below the first black line. Next, step number 6 is finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the designs. Here you go, your beautiful black, white and blue nail art design is ready to show off. If you like my today's video, please do subscribe and like my channel. If you have any query about this design, please let me comment below. If you are looking for a cool new style, then why not try the ever popular black and white nail art. Black and white styles are elegant and timeless. They will never go out of style. They make they are the kind of nail art that stands an attention and demands you to take notice. These are styles that can be used in casual, automatic